What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about the subwoofer box. Finally, I'm gonna get started on that. This is going to be the subwoofer box for the 4Runner. I've been telling you guys about upgrading the sound system on that thing, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna get building that subwoofer box. I already picked up my MDF. By the way, I'll be using 5/8 MDF for this box. I have everything laid out here so I can start cutting. I'm going to show you what I have on the table here. This is my 5/8 MDF. I have all my drawings, all my scribbling there, all my plans, my pieces, my measurements, everything is here. And this is going to be the side profile of the box. So the box is going to look something like this. Okay. I have everything ready to go. There. So what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod so you guys can see how I start cutting all my pieces. Yeah, so let's get started. Alright guys, so this is what's left over of the sheet. I still need to cut out my my sides and my port pieces. Unfortunately, this is not gonna work. I don't have enough. I think I have some in my shed. I think I have some leftover material back when I made the box for Big Red. So I'm gonna go check. Hopefully I have enough to finish up all my cuts. If I don't, I'm gonna have to go buy some. But yeah, this is where we are at now. I have all my main pieces here. Remember I told you this was gonna be like custom box. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pieces so far. I need 8, I need 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I need like 4 more, or yeah, 4 more pieces to finish up my list. All right, so let me go check in the back, see if I have material. If not, I'm gonna have to go buy some more. I'll be right back. All right guys, so I was lucky enough to have a piece saved up from the previous project, and I think this is gonna work for the sides for the last two pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut those out, and once I start assembling the box, I'm gonna bring you in so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right guys, I'm done cutting up all the pieces. I have them right here on the table. There was a lot of different cuts, angles, shapes, you name it. This box is gonna take, I think, 13 pieces. So let me show you. This is it right here, guys. It's a lot of stuff, a lot of different cuts. But I think I got all the pieces done. Now it's a matter of start to assemble this box. Not sure how far I'm gonna get today. I can't work on these too late today. I'm gonna get as far as I can, and you guys are gonna see how far I'm gonna get. See you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you what I've done today. I think I did a lot for day one, so let me turn the camera around and show you what I put together so far. So this is what the subwoofer box is looking like. Right now it doesn't look like much, but the more I work on it, the better it's gonna start looking. This is just assembled. I still need to trim it. I need to do more cuts here and there, make it look a lot better. It's gonna be nice. I like it so far. I like the progress I've done so far. Okay, so there it is. I hope you guys liked what you saw on this video. There's gonna be a couple more videos until this box is completely done. Actually, there's gonna be more videos until the entire system on the 4RUNNER is up and running. So after the box, we're gonna move in to the 4RUNNER. That way I can run all my wires and install the amp and all that good stuff. So for now, we're just gonna focus on the box. If you guys have any question about whatever I did today or any comments, let me know. I will see you guys on the next one, and stay tuned because we're gonna finish this. Later.